Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign in with Google on Waze. So we can sign in to Waze with your Google your Google account directly from the app. So just open the Waze app, launch the Waze app on your Android or iPhone, and then just tap the three lines that's located at the top left corner right here, and then go with the settings. Okay, so it's the third option, and now just navigate to the account section. Okay, so now go with the account and log in, and go with register this account as well. So now go with continue with Google, and go with continue, and now just choose an account. If you have 3, 2, 1, or even then more than 3 accounts, you will need to choose one of them. And once you select the account, then you will need to complete the verification. So if Google requests additional verifications from the data, you will need then to follow the instructions on screen and confirm your Waze account. Once authentication is complete, Waze should return you to the app with your account signed in. So if Google sign in doesn't work, you will need to make sure you're using the latest version of Waze. Check that your internet connection is working. So on Android, make sure your Google Play services is up to date, and close and reopen the Waze and then try again. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.